Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Are you well, my students? Okay, today my class will be for class 8. The students of class 8, you will take some your copy and also pen and pencil, all the learning materials. Please, today our topic is articles. Okay, for class 8 articles. Okay, now you can see in the whiteboard, please, in articles. A and the. These three words are article. These three words are article or articles. Indefinite, there are two articles. There are two types of articles, as you know. Indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles is a or an. On the other hand, the definite article is the. Okay, as you know, these are only determiner. All these articles are determiner. Determiner, do you know that all these articles are determiner? And also these articles are seated before noun and qualify this noun. These articles be seated before noun and qualify this noun. এই কোয়ালিফাইকে এই নাউনকে কোয়ালিফাই করে, আর্টিকেলগুলো বসে নাউনের পূর্বে বসে ওই নাউনকে কোয়ালিফাই করে। ওকে, now there are some examples are given in here for your practicing articles. Okay, you can see in the examples in a whiteboard, please. It is a picture. This is a consonant picture, or this is an here will be seated a, I mean a. It is a picture. Okay, number 2, he is European. This according to this pronunciation, please. These are the pronunciation. According to pronunciation, this is European. E is a vowel, but here will be seated in the first position. It is a picture. He is a European, not an European. The reason is that not an European in here. E is vowel, but according to pronunciation, it is U. This pronunciation is U এর মতো উচ্চারণ হয়েছে বিদায় এ হয়েছে। কেমন? মানে these are the vowel but not be seated in here and vowel হওয়া সত্ত্বেও এখানে and হবে না। Number 3, I saw one-eyed man. According to one pronunciation, wow. According to pronunciation on wow. These are the vowel. O is vowel not be seated in here and O vowel কিন্তু এখানে and হবে না, এখানে হবে a one-eyed man. The reason is that a one wa for pronunciation one is wa. War মতো উচ্চারণ হলে এখানে and না হয়ে a হবে। Okay, for this reason these are the number 4. A cow is domestic animal. Is the singular common noun. A cow is domestic animal. These are the portion. You can see the. Okay, number 4. A cow is a domestic animal. Here, cow is a singular common noun. Before singular common noun, we see it in here is a singular common noun আগে article বসেছে। A cow is a singular common noun. For this reason, a cow is a domestic animal. Okay, what beautiful picture it is. These are the exclamatory sentence. As you know, the rules of exclamatory sentence. What and then a or an and then adjective or noun. What এর পরে article এর পরে adjective অথবা noun বসে, এর আগে একটা article a অথবা an হবে। এটা exclamatory sentence এর নিয়মে আমরা জানি। exclamatory sentence word দ্বারা শুরু হতে পারে, how দ্বারা হতে পারে। word দ্বারা শুরু হলে এরপর একটা article a অথবা an এর পরে adjective plus noun বলবে অথবা শুধু noun বলবে। According to this rules, there will be what a beautiful picture. What a beautiful picture. Okay, number 6. She took apple. She took. These are the countable singular noun. As you know, these are the countable singular noun. Apple is countable singular noun for this reason, and a is also a vowel for this reason. She took an apple. Do you understand? This apple is countable singular noun. Before a countable singular noun, you will have to be seated in article a or an. Okay. Number 7, please. Mr. Rahim is MP. M is consonant but its pronunciation is as a vowel. M for this pronunciation M বলার আগে A বলে নিতে হয়, সুতরাং এখানে হচ্ছে is an MP, যদিও M টা কনসোনেন্ট, এখানে M হবে কারণ M উচ্চারণ করার আগে A বলে নিতে হয়, MP. He is honest officer. এখানে H হচ্ছে consonant but according to these are consonant but pronunciation O, honest, not honest. This is the honest, honest. All মতো উচ্চারণ হয়েছে honest. For this reason here will be is an honest. He is an honest officer in here. Honorable person will visit our college tomorrow. An honorable person, honorable person, honorable and an honorable person. As you know these things, please write down these examples and also use your pen and copy and write down these things, please, students. An honorable person will visit our college tomorrow. Same as number 8. Okay, number 10. Man standing in front of you is a doctor. These are the fixed person or things, the meaning for this reason here we seated the নির্দিষ্ট কোনো ব্যক্তি বা বস্তুকে বোঝালে তা বসে here we seated in here, please. The man standing in front of you is a doctor. A fixed person or things নির্দিষ্ট ব্যক্তি বা বস্তুকে বোঝালে তা হবে. Cow is a domestic animal. Cow is a domestic animal. These are before the singular common noun and all nation. These are the singular common noun and meanings of all nation. সমগ্র এটা গরুর জাতিকে বোঝাচ্ছে, এজন্য the cow is a domestic animal. For this reason here number 10 is the man is standing and the cow. These are the, as you know, the cow is the common noun and these are the meanings of all nations. All nations of cow. গরুর পুরো জাতিকে বোঝাচ্ছে, এই জন্য এখানে হবে তা. Okay, these are the number. Okay, students, number 12. You can see here, please. These are the, here you can see Podda is a large river. Podda is a large river. And as you know, before river, ocean and hills, before river, before the noun of, these are the noun Podda. These are the name of river and ocean and hills. You will see it in here. পর্বত, নদী, হ্যাঁ, সাগর বোঝালে এর আগে আর্টিকেল দা বসবে, কেমন? The Podda is a large river. Okay, number 13. These are, as you know, these things before political party. Before political party, Awami League is a political party, and you can write down in here BNP is a political party. As you know the things, Jamaat Islam is a political party. Before the political party, I mean you will have to be seated in here da. I mean A is vowel, but these are the political party. For this reason, not to be seated in here and you will be seated in here da. A political party. A vowel হওয়াতে and হওয়ার কথা ছিল কিন্তু দা হবে. The Awami League is a political party. Okay? These things, please. These things. English are brave. Before a nation, not before language. Before nation will be seated in here. The English are brave. জাতি বোঝালে এর আগে দা হবে. ইংলিশ যারা জাতি বোঝানো হয়েছে এখানে দা হবে. যদি ভাষা বোঝানো হতো তাহলে এখানে কোনো আর্টিকেল হতো না. ইংলিশ দ্বারা ভাষা বোঝানো হলে কোনো আর্টিকেল হতো না. জাতি বোঝানো হয়েছে এজন্য দা হবে. জাতির আগে দা হবে, ভাষার আগে দা হবে না. ওকে, বিফোর নেশন there be da, and before language there is no article. Okay, number 15, please. Observer is a daily newspaper. Before newspaper, as you know, before newspaper, and well known or before newspaper, any types of magazines, we see it in here da. O is vowel, but not here we see it an. O vowel হতেও এখানে an বসবে না, এখানে কত বসবে da. The observer is the name of Newspaper. The Observer is a daily newspaper. For this reason, we see written here. Now, do you understand, my students, please? Okay, here please in front of. It is cheapest dish on the menu. What will be here? You know, it is the cheapest dish on the menu. These are the superlative form. Before the superlative form, you will be seen in here the. এখানে কি বসবে? Superlative form এর আগে দা বসবে. It is the cheapest dish on the menu. এটা সবচেয়ে সস্তা খাবার ছিল সেই মূল্য তালিকায়. The cheapest dish on the menu. Okay. Number 17, please. Gold of this ring is pure. Before the metal, and these are the metal gold. Before metal, we see it in here the noun. Here we see it da. The gold is the gold of this ring is pure. The gold. Before the metal, we see it in here da. Gold, silver, iron. এই সমস্ত মেটালের আগে আমরা কি বসাবো? দা বসাবো. গোল্ড হচ্ছে এক ধরনের মেটাল. Gold, silver, iron. These are the metal. For this reason also we see it here. Da. Okay. Sentence number 18, please. I am fond of tea. I am fond of tea. Number 18, please. There will be no article in here. এখানে কোনো আর্টিকেল বসবে না কেন? Fond of মানে প্রিয়. There will be no article because uncountable noun. Tea is considered to be an uncountable noun. Do you understand these things? চা হচ্ছে একটা আনকাউন্টেবল নাউন হচ্ছে যে নাউনটাকে গণনা করা যায় না. আনকাউন্টেবল নাউন হওয়াতে টি এর আগে আমরা এখানে কি বসাবো? I am fond of tea. There is cross of article. No preceding article here, please. Okay, number 19. Bangladesh is rich in natural gas. There will also be no article. Before the proper noun, there is no article contained proper noun. Bangladesh is proper noun. Bangladesh is rich in natural gas. Do you understand these things? These are the proper noun of Bangladesh. For this reason, there will be no figure in here. Bangladesh is proper noun and country is common noun. Bangladesh is one type of country. Country is considered to be common noun and country is Bangladesh. So Bangladesh is proper noun. Before proper noun, there will be no article. Proper noun আগে কোনো article বলবে না, এটা because in article. Okay, forgiveness is a great virtue. ক্ষমা হচ্ছে একটি মহৎ গুণ. Before the abstract noun, forgiveness is considered to be an abstract noun. No, before abstract noun, there will be article contain no article. Abstract noun contain no abstract noun right কোনো article হবে না. She may invite you to dinner. These are also before meals. খাবারের নামের আগে কোনো article হবে না. She may invite you to dinner. And also you can like many things in dinner, and also supper, and also you can write down this breakfast. There is contained no article in here. কোনো খাবারের উপরে before meals, no article contained. কোনো খাবারের আগে কোনো article হবে না. Okay, number 22, please. Cancer is fatal disease. These are the one type of disease, cancer. Okay, there are many types of disease as you know, cancer, and many types of disease not will be seen in here. Cross. Cancer is a fatal disease, as you know. Dengue fever, cancer, many types of disease before. There will be no article in here. Okay, do you understand, my students, please? Okay, students, we have discussed in here 22 rules. 22 rules. Okay, we have discussed in here 22 rules. There are many types of rules are in here, and also we discuss in here what is article, and generally what is article contain, as you know. I discuss in this class today an article, what is article A and these articles and these articles, and these are the two types, an indefinite and indefinite articles. These are the only here. These articles are also determiner, and these articles are, as you know, I discussed about these things. These articles are seated before noun and qualified noun. Okay, we have discussed these things, and also we discussed before consonant are seated an article in A, and also consonant according to pronunciation European. There is no article. E is vowel, but there is no precedent in here n. These are article one by one. I have discussed these things. Before adjective, you will have precedent a. Adjective এর আগে article এ বসেছে what a beautiful picture, what a beautiful adjective. These are also exclamatory sentence rules. What, a or an, and adjective plus noun. What এর পরে article এ বসবে, তারপরে adjective noun করবে. These are the exclamatory sentence rule. As you know, countable singular noun, apple is countable singular noun. Before n, a is vowel. Okay, mp, m is consonant, but here is n. If you want to pronunciation m উচ্চারণ করার সময় a বলে নিতে হচ্ছে, এখানে এর জন্য n, mp. Honest, h is vowel, not vowel. H is consonant, but n honest. O, not honest, honest. What is reason n? You know these things. An honorable person will visit our college tomorrow. The man standing in front of you is a doctor. These are the, if you see a fixed person, নির্দিষ্ট কোনো বোঝালে the man, নির্দিষ্ট কোনো ব্যক্তিকে বোঝালে. Okay, these are the rules, as you know. The girl who wearing blue is my sister. These are the example, you know. The girl wearing blue is my sister. The girl is the fixed person, girl. নির্দিষ্ট কোনো ব্যক্তিকে বোঝালে তা হবে. Okay, these are the rules we discussed today, and also these rules, as you know. If you feel any problem, this examples, if you feel any problem, you can ask using online, or also our contact number. Yeah, you collect our contact number, and also an online program, DHS online program. You are invited all time, and also see this program. Please, thanks a lot to you, my students. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.